The VMware vCenter Server Management Interface is our management portal for our vCenter Server appliance. To access the vCenter Server Management Interface, open a browser and navigate to the fully qualified domain name or IP address of our vCenter server and append the port 5480. From there, we can log in using either the appliance root user and password, or we can use an SSO administrator and password. In this example here, we will use administrator at vsphere.local. When we log into the vCenter Server Management Interface, we can get summary information regarding our vCenter server. We can see the hostname of the vCenter server, we can see the version and the build number of our vCenter server. We can also see an overall health status of our vCenter server appliance, and we can see the SSO information. Under Monitor, we can view more detailed statistics regarding our resource utilization of the vCenter server appliance. We can see the CPU and memory metrics, and we get a detailed graph. We can change the time span and change it from hour, day, week, etc. Under disks, we can see the space utilization of each of the disks attached to our vCenter server appliance. Under network, we can see network statistics, and again, we can change the time frame. Under database, we can see the space utilization for our vCenter server Postgres database. To ensure the correct time on our vCenter server appliance, we can configure time synchronization. Here we have configured our vCenter server appliance to sync off an NTP source. We can also configure our vCenter server to sync off the host on which it is running on. It is also possible to change the time zone for our vCenter server appliance. Here we have left it as UTC. Under services, we can see all the services that are configured on our vCenter server appliance. We can see the startup type, the health of our service, and the current state. If we wish to interact with the service, we just simply select the service and perform start, stop, or restart. Under backup, we can access the vCenter server appliance's file-based backup and restore mechanism. The vCenter server backup stores the vCenter server configuration, performance data, and task and events. We can configure regular backups using a backup schedule, or we can create a one-time backup. Under Actions, we can interact with our vCenter server appliance. We can perform a reboot or shutdown of the vCenter server appliance, or to aid troubleshooting, we can generate a support bundle. To log out of the vCenter server appliance interface, we select the user we are logged in with and select Logout.